Cannot you see what makes up the things around us? From the water we drink to the air we breathe, everything is made up of molecules. In this video, we will explore the formula of some common molecules you encounter daily. So, what are molecular formulas? Every substance is made up of tiny particles called molecules. The formula of a substance that tells us which atoms are present and in what number. Let us start with some everyday examples. And now we are here on common molecular formulas. So each molecule will have name, molecular formula, and where it's found. And now look at water. Water is essential for life and its formula is H2O. This means every water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Oxygen O2 molecule. Oxygen make up about 21% of air. We breathe in air. Its formula is O2. It means that each molecule of O2 consists of 2 oxygen atoms. And now carbon dioxide, CO2. We know that plants need carbon dioxide to make food through photosynthesis. And the formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. It tells us that each molecule of carbon dioxide contains 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. And now methane molecule. Methane is a natural gas used for cooking and its formula is CH4. Look into the formula. This formula contains 1 carbon atom bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms. We use natural gas for gas stoves. It is commonly used for cooking process. Ammonia NH3. Ammonia is found in cleaning products. The formula is NH3. It means that 1 nitrogen atom is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms. And the sodium chloride, this is the table salt or it is the common salt. Salt has the formula NaCl. NaCl is an ionic compound. It contains Na positive and Cl negative ions in it. Salt is used in daily life, in cooking, in different things. It is used for flavoring of different dishes. And now the sulfuric acid, its formula is H2SO4. It is used in car batteries and also it is used in industry. It contains hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen in it. As you can see that H2SO4 is used in car batteries. It carries out current in it. And now the glucose. It may also be called sugar glucose. And the formula is C₆H₁₂O₆. It means that it has carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atom as indicated in the formula. 6 carbon atom, 12 hydrogen atom and 6 oxygen atom in its 1 unit. Have you ever tasted chocolate bar? It carries glucose molecules, so it supplies glucose molecules to our body. And now you know the formulas of some everyday molecules. Here is a quick challenge for you. Can you guess the formula of hydrogen peroxide, a common antiseptic? So write your answer in the comments. Here is a chart of substances which carry different types of molecules. The molecular formula are given in this chart. and their common uses are also depicted in the table. This is simplified chemistry for you, the MS Chem. Stay tuned for more videos and if some chemistry content ahead. See you in the next